Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading company in the field of PEB, pre-engineered building, design and construction. With their headquarters in Dharamshala, they have established themselves as one of the top PEB designers in the region. Their expertise lies in creating innovative and efficient designs that cater to the specific needs of their clients. They have a team of experienced professionals who are adept at using advanced software and technology to create accurate and precise designs. One of the key advantages of hiring PEB designers in Dharamshala is their ability to offer customized solutions. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands that every project has unique requirements, and they work closely with their clients to develop tailor-made designs that match their exact specifications. This ensures that the final structure not only meets the desired functionality, but also reflects the client's aesthetic preferences. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a proven track record of successfully completing numerous PEB projects in Dharamshala and across India. Their portfolio includes a wide range of structures such as warehouses, factories, commercial buildings, and even residential complexes. They have earned a reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget, making them a trusted choice for clients looking for reliable PEB designers. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable company specializing in PEB design and construction. With their base in Dharamshala, they have become one of the top PEB designers in the region. Their expertise lies in providing customized and cost-effective solutions for various construction projects. Whether it's a warehouse, factory, or commercial building, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the experience and knowledge to deliver high-quality designs that meet the client's requirements. PEB designers in Dharamshala are in high demand as the city experiences a significant increase in construction projects. One prominent company in this field is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience, they have become a trusted name in the industry. PEB, which stands for pre-engineered building, refers to a construction methodology that involves designing and fabricating building components off-site and then assembling them on-site. They work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and develop customized solutions that meet their needs. Whether it is a commercial building, industrial facility, or residential project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that the PEB design is structurally sound, aesthetically pleasing, and functional. As PEB designers in Dharamshala, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes into consideration factors such as wind loads, seismic activity, environmental conditions, and client preferences while designing the structures. Their expertise extends to various types of PEB buildings, including warehouses, factories,